everyone, this is Lilian with Lily Legal, where we help our clients get status for themselves and for their families using the U.S. immigration law system. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the difference between a non-immigrant visa and an immigrant visa. I get this question a lot. People confuse different types of visas, thinking that it will get them a green card, and it wouldn't. So I wanted to cover this because I want you to know the difference and know which types of visas will actually lead to a green card and which wouldn't. So if you have any questions or want to schedule a private consultation with me, you can do that by going to my website, lilylegal.com, or by calling the number on your screen. So I had a client come in and they were convinced that a certain type of visa will lead to them getting a green card. And I basically had to bust their bubble a little bit. And I felt bad doing that. But guess what? Sometimes that's my job, is to bust your bubble and let you know that the type of visa that you've been looking at, that you've been wanting, will not lead to a green card. Okay? So the difference between a non-immigrant visa and an immigrant visa is that the non-immigrant visa is for a temporary stay. So you're coming here for a specific amount of time, and when you're done, you are saying to the US government that you're going to go back to your home country. Okay? A immigrant visa is going to lead to you having a permanent residency in the US. So a green card, which then will lead to you being able to apply for citizenship. Okay, so if your goal is to get a green card, permanent residency, and then eventually become a citizen, then you would want an immigrant visa and not a non-immigrant visa. Now, in some situations, you can, for example, employment-based, right? You can be working for an employer under a non-immigrant visa, and then the employer likes you so much and they want you to stay permanently, and they will go ahead and file an immigrant visa for you. Okay, so that's the difference between, let's say, an H-1B, which is a temporary visa for you to work for a specific employer, versus an EB-123 visa, which is more of a permanent visa that would then lead to a green card. Okay, so that is the difference. One is temporary, the other is permanent. Okay, so if your goal is to stay in the US permanently, you should be looking into the permanent visa options, which are the immigrant visa options, whether it's through family or through an employer. You have those two tracks, and you want to make sure that you are choosing the right one based on your goals. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and if you want to schedule a private consultation with me, you can do that by going to my website, lilylegal.com, or calling the number on your screen. And of course, as always, all my contact information is in the description to this video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you know someone who needs to hear this, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you are watching in a place where you can subscribe and you do not want to miss any of my uploads, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And as always, I am Lilian Chukura. I am the owner of Lily Legal, where we do immigration law and we do it really well. Thank you. Bye for now.